Okay, so hello guys. This was just arrived today a while ago. We're gonna do some unboxing for our camcorder tripod. 3520. That's the model right here. Okay, and it came with this bracket and remote control, I think, for the Bluetooth. Alright, so let's start. It's made in China, of course, and this cost around 600 plus. Oh, yeah. So it comes with a bag. Here it is. It's a tripod. There's no... Alright. I think this is made of aluminum and plastic. It looks sturdy. Okay. Can you see it? So there. So you can pan the camera. So free lock. So that's it. It comes with a phone holder right here, and yeah, the bracket. So I think this can help us in our video shoots during vlogging. Okay.
Give me a second, I need to get my story straight. My friends are in the bathroom, getting higher than the Empire State. My lover, he's waiting for me just across the bar.